to the British invasion, like we do every year. This year, it's going to be different. This year, we are bike packing to the British invasion. We're still wheeling. We're not four-wheeling. We're two-wheeling. And we're actually going to do a route we usually do. We're going to go from my son's house in Albany, Vermont, about 90% dirt roads, and about at least a quarter of those dirt roads are class 4 roads. We're loaded for bear. We've dialed in the bikes. We're actually able to set up the bikes entirely on Amazon.com for what? Under a few $100, including sleeping bag.
Yeah.
And including like really nice like down jacket, things like that. We're pretty psyched. We're gonna keep you posted all the way through. Even Violet is coming. Woo!
Morning.
Morning.
Day 1 of the British invasion bike packing trip. Getting some nourishment. Donuts from Massachusetts. Biscuits and gravy made by Key Ballers. French press coffee. Local organic. This is Key's college apartment in Sterling College. What are you, a junior? You're a junior.
Second semester junior.
Yeah. I almost closed by myself on the clothesline. To lunch stop Saturday. We're ahead of schedule, believe it or not. We've done some crazy pave sectors in Albany, through Lowell, did Bailey Hazen Road in Lowell, which is all out rock crawling. I think we rode 99% of it. It was amazing. And we've dropped down from Lowell into Eden. We're at the Eden store, which I expected to be here about 45 minutes after this. And now we've got to move over we're going to jump into Waterville after Eden, Johnson, and climb the notch, up and over Smuggler's Notch, down in the Stowe.
so we're in the town of Cambridge, Vermont. We just stopped at this nice little store. We had some double espressos with some CBD oil in them, some pastries, some local sodas. So we're ready. All we have to do is get up Smuggler's Notch in Mount Mansfield, over the hill and down into Stowe, and we're done. I think we're about 55 plus miles in for the day.
57.
So, 57.
We're gonna have a 65-mile day without a problem.
So yeah, that's
Almost all on gravel.
That's all we have to do.
All gravel in class 4 and pave.
Yep.
Nutty.
Yeah, I'm all right.
Dude, did you go down?
Yeah, because freaking I didn't notice the turn. Shit, I was videoing.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I bashed my leg, but
Are you seriously okay?
yeah, the only thing is I can't find my phone. My phone is somewhere. I'm actually really okay, I think. But we gotta find my phone. Oh my! I cut my hand.
Are you okay?
I think so.
Dude, here's your phone back there. It's lit up.
Okay, can you look at my arm? Let me see. I'm not bleeding here.
There's no blood.
Yeah,
That's it.
that's it. And I hit here. So we were coming back from dinner, and I said, "Hey, this is cool. We're going back on the bike path." And then I know, let's take a little video of Peter, you know, and the lights and all that. And so I get my phone out and I start videoing, and there's a huge curve in the bike path. And then I sliced my hand, which is under there. I did that. I've got a nice giant bruise here.
Show me your phone.
Oh, and then yeah,
All of our video.
all of our video. So hopefully it's recoverable because the phone technically still works.
Safety first, people.